This configuration significantly improves productivity, offering a highly flexible solution for managing multiple product types with ease. This system seamlessly integrates two FlexiBowl feeders with an EPSON robot to handle a diverse range of metal components. The EPSON robot accurately transfers each piece to an inspection area, where an advanced, easy-control vision system rigorously checks for geometric accuracy and surface quality. The FlexiBowl 350 is engineered for delicate, small parts, while the FlexiBowl 800 ensures stable feeding for larger and irregular components. This integrated process enables rapid transitions between component types, minimizes downtime, and maximizes productivity in even the most compact production spaces.